લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે ટાઈપ 1 એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 5 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 6, obtain 2 plus 5, 2 plus root 5 raised to 5 plus 2 minus root 5 raised to 5. Okay, here there are total 4 terms are there. In first part there are 2 terms, in second part there are 2 terms. એટલે સૌથી પહેલા આપણે શું કરશું કે ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટના બાયનોમિયલ એક્સપાન્શન ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ એટલે કે 2 plus root 5 raised to 5, x plus a raised to n. What is x? X is equal to 2. What is a? A is equal to root 5. What is n? N is equal to 5. So 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4 and 5c5. 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 0. Root 5 raised to 0, root 5 raised to 1, root 5 raised to 2, root 5 raised to 3, root 5 raised to 4, root 5 raised to 5. Plus, 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 plus. Okay. 5c0, that is 1. 2 raised to 5, that is 32. Root 5 raised to 0, that is 1. 5c1, that is 5. 2 raised to 4, that is 16. Root 5 raised to 1, that is root 5. 5c2, that is 10. 2 raised to 3, that is 8. Root 5 no square, that is 5. 5c3, that is 10. 2 raised to 2, that is 4. Root 5 no cube, that is root 5 cube. 5c4, that is 5. 2 raised to 1, that is 2. Root 5 raised to 4, that is 5 no square. 5 no square, 25. 5c5, 1. 2 raised to 0, 1. Root 5 raised to 5. 32 plus 16 multiplied by 5, that is 80. 80 root 5. 10 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 5, that is 400. 10 multiplied by 4, that is 40 root 5 raised to 3. 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 25, that is 250 plus root 5 raised to 5. Now second part, 2 minus root 5 raised to 5. What is x? X is equal to 2. What is a? A is equal to minus root 5. What is n? N is equal to 5. Now 5c0, 5c1, 5c2, 5c3, 5c4 and 5c5. 2 raised to 5, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 0. Minus root 5 raised to 0, minus root 5 raised to 1, minus root 5 square, minus root 5 cube, minus root 5 raised to 4, minus root 5 raised to 5. Plus, 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 plus. Okay. 5c0, that is 1. 2 raised to 5 32 minus root 5 raised to 0 1 5c1 5 2 raised to 4 16 minus root 5 raised to 1 minus root 5 5c2 that is 10 2 raised to 3 that is 8 minus root 5 નો સ્ક્વેર that is સ્ક્વેર છે એટલે પ્લસ 5 5c3 10 4 minus root 5 raised to 3 5c4 5 2 raised to 1 2 minus root 5 raised to 4 even number છે minus minus plus થઈ જશે 5 multiplied by 5 25 5c1 5c5 1 2 raised to 0 1 minus root 5 raised to 5 32 minus 80 root 5 plus 400 minus 40 under root 5 raised to 3 plus 250 minus under root 5 raised to 5 okay now 2 plus under root 5 raised to 5 2 plus root 5 raised to 5 plus 2 minus root 5 raised to 5. Our first answer 32 plus 805 root 5 plus 400 plus 40 root 5 raised to 3 plus 250 plus root 5 raised to 5 plus our second answer 32 minus 80 root 5 plus 400 minus 40 root 5 raised to 3 plus 250 minus root 5 raised to 5 80 root 5 plus 80 root 5 minus cancel 40 root 5 raised to 3 40 root 5 raised to 3 plus minus cancel under root 5 raised to 5 plus under root 5 raised to 5 plus minus cancel it is 32 plus 400 plus 250 32 plus 400 plus 250 plus 32 plus 400 plus 250 that is 1364. This is your answer 1364. Next example number 7, last of this type. Expand root 5 plus 1 raised to 3 minus root 5 minus 1 raised to 3. Same બે part કરશું. First part root 5 plus 1 raised to 3 x plus a raised to n x is equal to root 5 a is equal to 1 n is equal to 3 3c0 3c1 3c2 3c3 root 5 raised to 3 root 5 no square root 5 raised to 1 root 5 raised to 0 1 raised to 0 1 raised to 1 1 raised to 2 1 raised to 3 plus 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 3c0 3 root 5 raised to 3 root 5 raised to 3 1 raised to 0 1 3c1 3 root 5 no square 5 1 raised to 1 1 3c2 3 3c0 1 sorry 3c1 3 3c2 3 root 5 raised to 1 that is root 5 1 no square 1 3c1 3c3 1 root 5 raised to 0 1 1 raised to 3 1 so root 5 raised to 3 plus 15 plus 3 root 5 plus 1 second part root 5 minus 1 raised to 3 x is equal to root 5 a is equal to minus 1 n is equal to 3 3c0 3c1 3c2 3c3 Okay, root 5 raised to 3, root 5 no square, root 5 raised to 1, root 5 raised to 0, 1 raised to 0, 1 no square, 1 raised to 1, sorry, 1 raised to 2 and 1 raised to 3, plus, 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 okay. 3c0 1, root 5 raised to 5, that is root 5 raised to 5, 1 raised to 0 1, 3c1 3, root 5 no square 5, 1 no square 1, 3c2 3, root 5 raised to 5, that is root 5, 1 no square 1, 3c1 3, root 5 raised to 0 1, 1 no cube 1, root 5 raised to 3 plus 15, sorry, these are the minus 1, minus 1 raised to 0, minus 1 raised to 1, minus 1 raised to 2 and minus 1 raised to 3. So this is 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 1 no square plus 1, this is minus 1. So here minus 1 multiplied by 15, that is minus 15, plus 3 root 5 minus 1. બેયના આપણે root 5 minus 1 raised to 3 minus root 5 plus 1 raised to 3. First answer આપણો root 5 raised to 3 plus 15 plus 3 root 5 plus 1. વચ્ચે માઇનસની સાઇન છે એટલે બ્રેકેટમાં રાખશે. માઇનસ રૂટ 5 રેસ ટુ 3 માઇનસ 15 3 રૂટ 5 માઇનસ 1. માઇનસ અંદર બ્રેકેટમાં મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે એટલે બધી સાઇન ચેન્જ થઈ જશે. માઇનસ રૂટ 5 રેસ ટુ 3 પ્લસ 15 માઇનસ રૂટ 5 minus 3 root 5 plus 1. This is plus, this is minus cancel, this is plus, this is minus cancel. 15 plus 1, that is 16 multiplied by 2, 32. This is your answer. Here our type 1 is completed. Now next type 2. Find term in binomial expansion. Find out term in binomial expansion. First of all, equation. How to find out term? Term means Tn. Term means Tn. What is Tn in binomial expansion? Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. First example, find fourth term of 3x minus 1 by 2 raised to 7. Okay, x plus a raised to n. What is x? 3x. What is a? Minus 1 by 2, what is n? 7. Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. Now we have to find out T4, fourth term. 4 કઈ રીતે મળે? તો કે 3 plus 1, so r is equal to શું મળશે? 3. r is equal to 3. What is n? n is equal to 7. 7c3. x. x means 3x. 3x raised to 7 minus 3. What is a? a means minus 1 by 2 raised to 3. 7c3. 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 3 divided by 2. That is 35. 35. 3x raised to 4 minus 1 no cube minus 1, 2 no cube 8. 35 multiplied by 3 raised to 4, 81. X raised to 4 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 8. 35 multiplied by 81 multiplied by minus 1 minus 2835. X raised to 4 divided by 8. This is your answer. Next, example number 2. Find out seventh term in expansion of x plus a raised to n. What is x? X is equal to 4x by 5. What is a? A minus 5 divided by 2x. What is n? N is equal to 9. Term Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. We have to find out T7. 7 કઈ રીતે મળશે? તો કે 6 plus 1. So r is equal to થશે 6. N is equal to 9C6. X is equal to 4x divided by 5 raised to 9 minus 6. What is a? A is minus 5 by 2x raised to 6. 9C6 find करो के 9C3 find करो, both are equal. 9C3 એટલે કે 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 divided by 3 divided by 2, that is 84. 4x divided by 5 raised to 3 minus 5 divided by 2x raised to 6. 81. 4 no cube, 64, x raised to 3, 5 no cube, 125, minus 5 ની 6 ઘાત, 15625 minus minus plus divided by 2x no cube, 2 raised to 6, 64, x raised to 6. Okay, 15625 divided by 125, that is 125. X no cube, x raised to 6, so x 64 cancel, so 84 multiplied by 125 divided by x raised to 3. 84 multiplied by 125, that is 10,500 divided by x raised to 3. This is your answer. Next, example number 3. Find T4 in expansion of x plus a raised to n. What is x? 2x divided by 3. What is a? Minus 3 by 2x. What is n? N is equal to 6. Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. What is T4? T4 is equal to T3 plus 1, so r is equal to 3. N 6C3. X 2x divided by 3 raised to 6 minus 3. What is a? Minus 3 by 2x raised to 3. Raised to 3. 6C3. 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 divided by 2, that is 20. 2x by 3 raised to 3. Minus 3 by 2x raised to 3. 20. 2 raised to 3, x raised to 3 divided by 3 raised to 3. Minus 3 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 3 divided by x raised to 3. 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 3 cancel, x cube cancel, 3 raised to 3 minus 3 raised to 3 cancel, એટલે અહીંયા વધશે minus 1. 20 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 20. Next, example number 4. Find third term in the expansion of x plus a raised to n x is equal to x, a is equal to 1 by y, n is equal to 7. Tn is equal to tr plus 1 ncr x raised to n minus r a raised to r. Third term t3 t2 plus 1, so r is equal to 2. 7c2 x raised to 7 minus 2, a means 1 by y raised to 7, 1 by y raised to 2. 7c2, 7 multiplied by 6 by 2, that is 21, x raised to 5, 1 square, that is 1, y raised to 2, 21 x raised to 5, y raised to 2. This is your answer. Next, example number 5. Find fourth term in the expansion of x minus 2y upon x raised to 8. X plus a raised to n, x is equal to x, a is equal to minus 2y upon 1, n is equal to 8. Tn is equal to tr plus 1, ncr x raised to n minus r, a raised to r. T4, that is t3 plus 1, r is equal to 3. 8c3 x raised to 8 minus 3 minus 2y divided by 1, that is minus 2y raised to 3. 8c3, 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 by 3 by 2, that is 56. X raised to 5 minus 2 raised to 3, y raised to 3. 56, x raised to 5 minus 8, y raised to 3 multiplied by 8, that is minus 448, x raised to 5, y raised to 3. Next, last of this type, find out t3, 2x minus 5 divided by x raised to 5, x plus a raised to n. X is equal to 2x, a is equal to minus 5 by x, n is equal to 5. Tn is equal to tr plus 1, ncr x raised to n minus r, a raised to r. T3 t2 plus 1, so r is equal to 2. 5c2, 2x raised to 5 minus 2 minus 5 by x raised to 2. 10, 2x raised to 3 minus 5 no square, 25 divided by x square. 10 multiplied by 8x cube multiplied by 25 divided by x square. Here x raised to 1. 10 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 25, that is 2000 x. Here our type 2 is completed. In next session we will start our next type, that is type 3. Thank you.